Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to generate an AI story in CapCut. It's super easy, fast, and you don't need any editing experience to get started. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open the CapCut app, and then from the home screen, just tap on AI Lab, this one. This is where all the AI powered tools are located. And then inside AI Lab, just select AI Story Maker, this one. Just tap on it. This feature lets you create complete videos just by writing a short descriptions or storylines. And here, you will see a text box like this. You have two options. You can just type a full prompt describing your story idea, or you can use a generate script where you just write a simple points or a short outline like this, and then AI will expand it into a full story script. But for this tutorial, I will go with the regular prompt method. So I will type in my story idea like this. And then when you're done, write your storyline, just tap done. Like this. Next, just choose your visual styles for your AI story. CapCut has a different options depending on the vibes that you want, like there are realistic films, cartoon 3D, movie, anime, dreamscapes, and many more. Just choose that you like. And in this tutorial, I will choose realistic film. And after that, you can also pick a voiceover like this. You can choose the voiceover that you want in here, and even it can generate voiceover with different languages like this. But in this tutorial, I will just use the automatic AI voiceover, so I will just keep it on auto. Now just select your video ratio depending on where you will post it. For example, you can choose 9:16 for TikToks or Reels, or you can choose 16:9 for YouTube, or even you can also or 1 by 1 for Instagram feeds and many more. And in this tutorial, I will choose 16:9. And once that's done, just tap on generate.
A short inspirational story about a young traveler who visits a hidden village in the mountains. The AI story should show beautiful nature scenes like forests, rivers, and sunrise over the mountains. The traveler meets kind villagers.
And okay, that's it. Your AI story is ready. And then next you can change the audio or add more audio, and then you can also add text, and then if you wanna do more edits, you can just tap on the go to edit to edit it just like a normal CapCut projects. And so that's how you quickly generate an AI story in CapCut. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!